Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, I want to talk to you about the portable foldable baby sleep bed mosquito net. As a parent, I know how important it is to keep your baby safe and comfortable, especially during nap time or bedtime. This amazing product is designed to provide a safe and cozy space for your little one to sleep, free from the annoyance of mosquitoes and other insects. The foldable design makes it easy to take this netting with you wherever you go, whether it's on a family vacation or just for a weekend trip to grandma's house. It's also perfect for outdoor use, so you can enjoy the fresh air without worrying about pesky bugs bothering your baby. Not only does this netting provide protection from insects, but it also creates a peaceful and soothing environment for your baby to sleep. The breathable mesh cover allows for proper air circulation, keeping your little one comfortable and cool throughout the night. So, if you want to ensure a safe and peaceful sleep for your baby, I highly recommend checking out the portable foldable baby sleep bed mosquito net. You can find the link to purchase this incredible product in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret giving your baby the gift of a peaceful sleep environment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with all the parents in your life. See you next time.